up already. They're right here. Oh, man,
Hey, Tino, back up. It'll get more interesting, don't worry. And that's Andrew lighting the fire.
No.
This tray was good.
See, Uncle Andrew doesn't even know I threw like a thing of like 10 gallons of gas in there earlier. So,
No, there's no gas in there.
oh, now that you know about.
That biggest fire yet.
You want to do it? Your hand's in the way.
Yes, it is. There we go.
Oh, hose. We didn't get the hose out.
It's alright.
Katie?
It's green.
Katie?
Come here. You hold this. I need to go turn the water on.
Oh, yeah. Hurry.
Come on, Gene, back up here. It's going to get really hot where they are. Trust me. Dad's been to a lot of these
Yeah.
over the years. Right back here, Sophie.
I'm going to back up just a little
What, you want
bit.
some camera melting the
Well, I can't get the full flame, man.
And here's your phone.
Holy crap. I had to back up this far in order to get the whole thing in.
I think we could see it from space. It's got to be 40 feet high, at least.
It's taller than the freaking house.
It is. It's reaching the top of the
Yeah.
antenna. I could
I
feel
don't-
it as they came out of the house.
I don't think we've ever had it this big before.
No, we haven't. This is amazing.
This is ridiculous. This is scary, actually.
Yeah, like the hose is going to do anything with this.
Please let it calm down soon.
I regret that Brian and Melissa couldn't make it in time for this.
Yeah. We have video.
Yeah.
Let it calm down soon.
It will.
Hi, Jeff!
I think this is like the best one ever.
I think it's the tallest one ever.
It's certainly the tallest. You know what got it going quick?
Pine.
Bags of, yeah, stuff.
It was the thing that was from under the lawn for
Oh, okay.
I raked them up this past week. Put them in bags.
Well, you know, it's
Kept 'em out of
perfect.
rain.
No wind.
Yeah.
No wind.
Oh yeah.
And we really haven't had
I'd
a
be
lot of
freaking
rain.
if there was wind. If
If
there
there
Oh,
was
I
rain,
know.
we'd be calling the fire. Well, I shouldn't have lit it if there was
No.
rain.
If there was wind, I wouldn't have lit that. You got to remember that. If it gets that big, you can't light it.
No.
This is like the absolute perfect night.
I really wish it would calm down a little bit.
It will.
Yeah, let's get a pan of the audience there.
I can't believe everybody moves their stuff way back.
That's the furthest back I think we've ever had them.
I know, it's great. I love it.
Hey, Tom, glad you could make it.
Sorry, the neighbors are coming out too.
Yeah.
It's good to see you. I brought this for the dogs. I figured you didn't need any more alcohol, and I don't know what you didn't know what to get you to
Well,
eat.
thank you.
Dogs will appreciate it.
They love Kongs. Here, the dog keeper.
Thank you.
Wow, that is cool.
Well, I have it on video
It's
for.
amazing that as much as it's already burned down, that the flames are still as high
Oh,
as
yeah.
they are.
Not yet. I'm not ready for the hose yet, but I'm standing
Yeah.
a little closer.
Like you have a hose that could do anything to this.
No, I'm not worried about your house. I'm worried about my shed.
Biggest one?
Yeah,
It's the tallest.
I was thinking. I'm like, oh my
And
god.
I swear to goodness, I could smell it. Something was burning.
Really?
I know. I said I burned mine. Oh, Jack Tucker died.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he was. I tried to tell you. He wanted to be there.
All right, time to go and finish my chili. Where the heck did I set it down?